Determine the Laplace transform of the following function. Well, the function is f of t equals negative 2e to the negative 3t plus 1/3 open bracket hyperbolic sine 6t plus hyperbolic cos t close bracket. I'm asking you to pause the video and work it out. Okay, so you pause the video and you worked it out. What did you get? Let us see something here now. We want to find the Laplace transform. Now, the Laplace transform of f of t will be, well, this is negative 2 times a function. So, it can be written as negative 2 times. In fact, let me write the Laplace a different color. Times the Laplace transform of e to the negative 3t plus 1/3 times the Laplace transform of sine 6t let me just make a little adjustment here. Plus, this is t, right? Plus hyperbolic cosine t. All right. Oh, this was 1/3, not half. By the way, you can expand the brackets, you can open the bracket and expand it. So let's write this again. We have the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to negative 2 times the Laplace transform of e to the negative 3t plus 1/3. If we open the bracket now, 1/3 times the Laplace transform of hyperbolic sine 6t. This is popularly called shine. Some persons might call it sin h or sin h, right? Or sinch. But I know it as shine. Plus the hyperbolic cosine. Some people might call it cos h or cosh. Alright? I generally call it cosh. So, you're looking at the it's going to be 1/3. If you open the bracket, 1/3, open the bracket, multiply each of them by 1/3 and find the Laplace transform of each. So 1/3 Laplace transform of cosh t, hyperbolic cosine of t. Alright, let's see what's going on here now. We need to find the Laplace transform of e to the negative 3t. So let's look at our table of Laplace transforms. E to the, good, it's right here. Now, e to the power of a number t is 1 over s minus the number. So, what we have is that e to the power of a number t is equal to 1 over s minus the number. 1 over s minus that number. Now, the number that we have here is negative 3. So, the Laplace transform now that we see is going to be negative 2 times the Laplace transform of e to the negative 3t. So e to the number t, what you would have here is negative 3t, because the number is negative 3. So now this number here would be negative 3. So it's minus negative 3, which would become 1 over s plus 3, right? See that? So what you have then is 1 divided by s plus 3. Alright. Let's take care of this one now. So it's saying plus 1/3 Laplace transform of sine 6t. Let's look in the table for sine. Alright, it's right here. This. So Laplace transform of sine kt. Let's just write it so that we have the Laplace transform of sine kt. What's it going to be? Well, this says, oh my. Alright, this says it's k divided by, what, this is sine 6, so it's 6 divided by, so it's going to be 6 divided by s squared minus 6 squared. It's going to be s squared minus 6 squared. Alright, so that's the Laplace transform when you have 6 here instead of k, according to the table. So let's write down what we have there. So what we have here, 1/3 times 6 divided by s squared minus 6 squared. Alright, you see? Sine of a number t is the number over s squared minus the number squared. So sine of 6t is 6 squared minus that number squared, which is 6 squared. Alright. Plus 1/3 times the Laplace transform of hyperbolic cosine t, or I'll call it cosh t. Alright, so we have cosh right here. Now in this case, it is s over s squared minus k squared. So according to this result in the table, cosh kt is s over s squared minus k squared. So just write it down here. Cosh kt is s over s squared minus k squared. S over s squared minus k squared. Alright? So we have our number k. Now whatever happens to the k here, the same thing will happen to what? To 1, because this is 1t. Alright? So here, the Laplace transform of cosh 1t is going to be s over s squared minus 1 squared. Alright? So there we have that. Now, what we have here, this is equal to negative 2 over s plus 3. Alright? Plus 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2. It's going to be 2 divided by s squared minus 6 squared plus. And then this is 1/3. I have 1/3 times s over s squared minus 1 squared. Now, I could leave this as it is, or I could write s over 3 s squared over 3 s squared minus 1 squared, which is just 1. You don't have to write the 1 squared. Or what I could do is put this here, 1/3. Alright? Just to keep the 1/3 away from the s over s squared minus 1 squared. But of course, more sophisticated way of writing it is this. What you have to know, it's 1/3 times all of this. Alright? So that's what we have for the result. The Laplace transform of this function is this.